a very quick tutorial, or just a very quick video, and this is about variables, public and private. Now, when you're about to launch your game or publish it for the real live store, you kind of want it to be private at that point, but basically want to show you how you can have it be private and still being able to view it inside the inspector and like drag your components or your game objects or your scripts and still being able to attach them and connect that reference. This is a really simple thing, and well, it was requested. Not a lot of people know how to, so that's where this video comes in. So we're just going to create a new script here, call it demo with 2Ds, and I will launch Visual Studio 2017. Okay, so right at the top you can go ahead and let's make a public game object, right? Object, and then in the start we can just do we'll log it, right? And in the log we're just gonna say whatever the object name is. And this would be for this example, this would be a public game object, right? So after Unity is done compiling the script, I'm just going to drag and put on the camera, right? So I'll create a new object here. I don't want it to be apparent to the camera, just drag it out. I'll call it max, right? And then on the camera, I can just reference it here. So when I run this game, we should see the log max once it actually runs. Alright, and there we have max. So let's say that this is one of those values, one of those variables that you really need it to remain private. However, you want to be able to see it in the inspector here and be able to, connect it like that. So let's say that this is one of those variables that you want to remain private, but you still want to be able to see it down here in the inspector, so you can drag whatever it is you need and connect them. Let me show you how to do that. So first, let's go ahead and make it private. I'll save. If I go back to Unity, you can't see it, right? The key word is simply go right above it, use a double brackets, and then type the word serialize field. Okay, so right above it, your private variables, just drop serialized field. So if I copy this and make an object 2, you see it works in this sense. Once Unity is done compiling the script, there I have my object, my first object that I made, and my object 2. So max could be at the top and my light could be at the bottom. And these are both private variables. So, and you know the reasons you want to make your stuff private. Again, it's, it's more secure, using like an encapsulation coding methods where you would have a setter and a getter, but the initial variable itself is private. And in this case, you want to be able to actually drag and drop your game objects or your scripts or whatever into that inspector section. Then you need serialized field. Well, thank you for tuning in with me today. That was a very short tutorial, but like I said, it was going to be just a quick know, in case you didn't know. And I had it requested from someone that didn't really know how. So hopefully it helped someone else as well today that watched this video. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button if this helped you, and subscribe so you can comment and leave a request for what you'd like to see next. Remember, being a subscriber kind of gives you that power where you can write something and I will basically do it as soon as I can. This is the Coding Noob. Have a good one.